Hello my friend, today I will show you how to use AI to see all the sounds from your game in HTML files, so where you can compare them. Notice that I'm creating now a snake grid breaker game where there are lots of sounds, right? When I am moving, for example, here, there are sounds, and some of them, well, I felt that they sounded a bit too high, right? And that's why I asked AI to use equalizer. And after that, I asked it to show me in HTML file like comparison, right? And notice that now, here I can now, for example, see button hover, and I can see before after effect, right? Probably it's hard to notice the difference here because, well, my microphone is not targeting it currently, but I have got a wave. I have got here also the hotspots, right? Before after. And also, I ask AI later to, for example, generate with ElevenLabs more sounds regarding the specific sound that I didn't like. And yes, I could do it directly from Codex, because if you use API key from ElevenLabs, for example, then you can just ask for sounds directly from here, right? So when I'm like, okay, I like this one, I can use the, for example, new sound that was generated, for example, here, and ask AI to install it instantly, right? So this is pretty cool because, well, it might be hard to debug sounds to see if they are working properly each time when you need to, manually replace them in the game and then, check before after effect. You might even not remember how it sounded before, right? But with something like here, notice that, hey, we can easily see before after effect. We could even have all the new sounds for the class selects next to each other, right? And we can play them one after another, right? And when you do it fast, you can then see, okay, I like this one, for example. Well, the problem that I have currently is that when I'm used to some kind of sound, I'm like, I don't want to pass it, right? So it's hard to, do something like, you need to go, right? For me, at least. But this is out of topic currently. I hope that you find it useful. So the use case for this is mainly this: ask Codex or an AI to analyze all the sounds in your game and then show them where in HTML5, where you can, very fast see each sound. And afterward, you can use the equalizer, for example, instantly with AI, or you can, for example, ask for new sounds and then play them one next to another, and then you can improve your sounds in your game.